just hosted a live event called Sold Out and 5 people showed up. This is exactly what happened to me 2 weeks ago. And I thought this was so magical because so much to share. In the past, wouldn't come first, wouldn't come live, talk about it because it's like, what are the others gonna think if I'm hosting an event called Rich and Happy Sold Out based on your birth chart and the live event, only 5 people came live. I think one of the lowest live show up rates we have had in our company's history. And I loved to see myself grow in this because in the past, first of all, I would never ever come live on Instagram, social media, talk about it, right? There would be like guilt and shame and, like I'm made for so much more, like this can't happen to me. Like I wouldn't lead with that. And like I always say, either you own your past or your past owns you. Second, this was a phase that I entered probably in like year 3 and 4, currently in year 8 of my business, where I had, compared to years before, lower months. And I mean so much. Like if I had lower months or if something like this would have happened to me back then, I just would have stopped to show up. Like I'm just like, okay, let's call it off, maybe even refund the people. And I really had to learn that I have to clap for myself before everybody else is clapping for me. So I had to learn how much more can I celebrate everybody that's already there and not from like this place of like, not enough, right? My mind was so great, always going, it's not enough. Not enough money, not enough clients, not enough of whatever. So the beauty was really to go back to the roots. I'm like, if you're in a situation where I was back then, I'm like, okay, if you have 0 clients coming up, who are you going to celebrate, right? It's easy to say, okay, if you have at least 1 client, you can celebrate at least that 1 client and the heck out of it. If you have 5 that showed up, at least Jeanine, you had 5 clients to celebrate that showed up on the live call. And back in the day, I'm like, okay, if there's nobody I can celebrate, other than me, I always can celebrate myself. How much more could I celebrate myself in those moments that I keep showing up when others don't, that I'm giving 100%, that I just keep going no matter if people buy, if people show up live, if the majority of people watches a replay. And that was a very uncomfortable truth as we switched from a German brand and obviously having German speaking clients only, meaning most of them were also in the German time zone. Something like a time zone issue never happened to us before. But the more international we became, the broader our client base is getting, the more we have currently people watching the replay, simply because there are so many clients from all over the world. It's something I didn't contemplate, and it was a bit interesting, getting used to it, and that's okay. But it really taught me how much more can I celebrate myself? Can I go all in? Even if people don't show up live as much as they used to. That's the first thing. The second was live show up rates don't say anything about the conversion and the potential sales. While we had the least women showing up live, it was another easy $150,000 cash. I don't want to say day, but day-ish happening over a couple of days doing this live event. So it didn't say anything. It didn't mean anything, right? When it comes to sales. And again, are you capable of holding this polarity? Maybe lowest people showing up, maybe even 0 people showing up live, but still then a normal sales conversion for you. Still like $150,000 in sales afterwards. Can you hold this? Is this okay for you? It's just something where we can grow into. And the final aspect I wanted to share about this experience was, as I'm currently in Mexico, roughly, I think 2-3 weeks ago, I booked a group sound healing. And as I was at the sound healing, I'm like laying there waiting. Nobody shows up except me and the facilitator. And I'm telling her, I'm like, my gosh, I'm such a lucky soul. I've manifested a private sound healing. And it was so special. It was so amazing. Like, I loved it. I loved it so much. It was so magical having basically all eyes, all music right on me and having the full experience. There wasn't one single thought in my mind where I'm like, what is she thinking? Oh my gosh, I signed up for a group sound healing and then only one person showed up. Nothing at all. It was pure bliss and celebration. So can you contemplate, can you get your ego out of those situations where you think it's not enough, that it's actually the most insane situation for your clients, that they're so grateful? We had this yesterday in the inner circle. Once a month, we have AI calls. Literally where I'm showing what you can automate, what I'm currently automating with AI. I always say anything and everything you do more than once needs to be automated by AI. So it literally can fully replace a VA. It's pretty mind-blowing. So anyways, back to the roots. Yesterday, for some reason, only my long-term client, Jana, was on the call. And I could have thought, I'm like, oh, this is interesting. Where is everybody? Usually we're like 10, 15, 20 women. And I'm like, okay, it is what it is. So I'm like explaining, showing what I wanted to show about like automation of carousel designs. And at the end, I'm like, tell me about you. Where are you? Like, what's happening? Give me an update. Let's see this. Like, I love this so much that I was able to deeper connect with my client because it was just the two of us on this live call. And she shared with me and we talked. And in the end, what happened was a magic moment for her because she's like, I'm actually gonna join the inner circle now. I felt so seen. This was so magical till that conversation and the one-on-one we had at the end of the AI call yesterday. She wrote, I'm like, I always felt I don't belong in this room. Like I didn't see myself at this table of the rich rebel inner circle. And something clicked. Something clicked when it happens that all eyes are on me, when all questions are just about me, about my business, the depth, the breakthroughs that happened just in the last 20 minutes of this call, when we were just talking about me and my business and how I can get more sales. And this is just your reminder in case you needed this, in case your mind is doing a little like mind fucky fucks with you, that it's not enough. Whatever form of not enough clients, not enough money, not enough followers, not enough visibility. Always like think about the other person on the end, that it's a real human being, especially when we run an online business, and that you make the biggest difference in their life simply by being there, by showing up. And I feel sometimes we can forget this. And it's really something personally I had to learn, that when I started this journey in German like 8 years ago, and I had what for some of my clients thought like overnight success, really creating my first $1 million in sales in like 12 months. We hit over $15 million in sales in just 5 years, and with an audience of less than 2,000 people, right? It's pretty mind blowing. And there was a part of me as it was growing faster, more, where I'm like, I want 1 million followers. Like I want this massive audience and 10,000 people in my audience and And I had to get very honest with myself that actually I don't want that. I had this feeling on the one hand, it was like, this is what the industry taught me what I should go for. And then there was like, but this is how I feel. I felt a little bit guilt and shame because it was the opposite of what was taught. And this was really, again, it was a divine gift because it led me down to working with my birth chart in business. And looking back, why we've created the success we did in the company was because my business now is completely built on my birth chart. And there I clearly can see I'm made for like a luxury boutique owner. I'm here to go deep with my client conversations and not wide, right? I'm not here to serve 10,000 people at once. And it's the more I found out also how I'm supposed to sell, what I'm not supposed to do, right? Very often we have this like intuition already also when it comes to sales. I'm like, every time I heard like cold outreach, DM outreach, I'm like, guys, it's the last thing that's ever on my mind, that I wake up and I think, let me DM and cold outreach to people or call strangers and ask and or start artificial conversations. Are you team tea or coffee? I saw in my Instagram story, you clicked your team coffee. Tell me more about it. What's your favorite coffee? What time you're drinking your coffee? Where are you from? It wasn't like that. And again, working with my birth chart, I clearly also could find out what is my way to selling my offers that comes naturally easy to me. And I want you to contemplate this, because sometimes you feel like, oh man, I should be doing more sales, more marketing, more showing up, But very often when we have this feeling of like our soul telling us stop, it is because you're following somebody else's strategy instead of your own. And if you don't listen, then of course the body has to initiate this like stop feeling, slow energies, right? Slow emotions like fear, anger, frustrations, however that shows up for you. But it is just a sign that you're not on your path. And if you, first of all, don't know how to read your emotions, you will not bridge that. Second, if you don't know your birth chart sales engine, this is what we call it at Rich and Happy, your business built on your birth chart, you will also not know what to do instead. Because on the one hand, right, we're here, we want to do it right, we want our business to grow. So we follow naturally, right, the industry leaders, the standards, etc., because that's what we learned in school. But the strategy that worked for them very often will not work for you, because just like in a relationship with a partner, very often we're attracted to the polar opposite. And the partner that is exactly the same like us, we like them as a friend and we say, I'm like, oh yeah, they're nice, but there's not this this fire, right? That comes from the polarities. And the same is true about finding a coach and a mentor. And that's why this work is so powerful that we do. And if it's the first time you're catching me live, it's the first time you're ever hearing me talking about the birth chart sales engine, every month, almost every month, we run a 5-day life experience where you're actually working with your birth chart, and we call it the cash hotline. It's basically literally the translation you've been missing and you didn't know you want desperately. It's basically you upload your birth chart, you upload your human design to a tool we've created, and everything we talk about will be translated for you. So think about it. And business advice you thought you love from any of your coaches, people, famous people you like the most, whatever, you will upload it into our tool, and our tool, we call it the cash hotline, is actually going to tell you if this advice is going to work for you, yes or no, based on your birth chart, based on your human design or not. And if it's not, then what actually is going to work for you? And this is what we're doing for 5 days. It's the foundation of your birth chart sales engine. Day number 1, we're going to talk about and identify who you actually are as a business owner. Like, what makes money for you? How are you supposed to create offers, right? There's a reason, except the birth chart sales engine, the life experience is 5 days, but all my other programs are 1 year. Surprise, surprise. It's not a surprise. It's exactly coming from my birth chart, how I should lead programs. So with this tool, we will be able to translate this for you. How long are your offers? Which price points? How are you supposed to sell them? Directly DM people. Like, there's so many ways and tools when it comes to sales. The other aspect is also, obviously, in your birth chart, we clearly can see what are your gifts and your talents. And I always say money is a medium of exchange. So if you know what you are willing to give and to exchange, and surprise, surprise, you take the thing, your gifts you're naturally were gifted with, things will flow. People naturally are attracted to you with this gift in order to exchange. So this is all what we're going to do. And then on day number 4, we're actually mapping your cash month, because the goal of this journey is really 5 days to map your highest cash months using your birth chart. And trust me, once you've actually worked with your birth chart for 5 days, you will never want to miss it ever again. You will always request and demand in your life fully personalized business support. And the cool part is now, if, for instance, let's say there's something like you should grow your business massively through Facebook sales, and you know it's coming from your birth chart, right? Then now it makes sense to hire the person that teaches you exactly that. But what we very often do is we see something that's like shiny. I'm like, oh, somebody's having massive success. Let me copy this. And then you're in their program and it's not working and you're frustrated. This is where a lot of my clients, I'm like, oh, I feel like I've wasted so much money in the past. But you actually didn't waste. You just never worked with your birth chart and consult first your own user manual. And then you will see which strategy you are meant to build, which is a strategy you are like meant to succeed in the business world. And with that, now you keep hiring all the experts you used before, but it's coming from a very different perspective and a very different energy. It's not anymore from like, I need this. I hope this kind of brings me success. It's like, ooh, this is my way. I'm supposed to be successful. Let me master it. It's such a different energy. It's only $111 for the full 5 days. And if you want to be inside, I'm looking at my notes, so I'm having the exact date for you. It's happening May 22nd till May 25th. All you need is a ticket. That's $111. And what you have to get, but we show you how, is your birth chart and your human design. So if you don't feel comfortable working with your own like data, then this will not work for you. So just being fully transparent, you need to know obviously your birth date, time, and place in order to fill them out. Like to get your human design and your birth chart, it's completely free. Once you sign up, we guide you where to get those documents. You just need them once. Whatever you do inside the Rich and Happy world, you will have the documents, and it's just an easy setup. Kelly, what times? That is a very great question. So I'm for sure May 22nd till May 25th. It's a Monday through Friday. And I haven't finalized the live dates and time zones. All I can say, there's going to be a live call on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then there's like assignments dropping for everybody on Tuesday and Thursdays. I'm leaning towards 11 a.m. Eastern time, but I'm not 100% sure. Something around that. Morning Eastern time, if that helps you. But there's always going to be a replay that's available. Plus, you will also have for the full week access to the cash hotline. So obviously, I will guide you through how to use the cash hotline. And then if you already feel like you want to go deeper, that also gives you the opportunity to go very deep on certain areas. Maybe it is offer creation for you. Maybe it is social media based on your marketing, which platforms, which content, those kind of aspects. Then that also is an option. Yeah. Just comment 111 below this live and you get the link to everything. I'm keen, but I'm in Australia. And if it's 5 days in the middle of the night, I might not. I might not join because I think it will be important for me. The cool part is you will see, compared to our other live programs, inside the challenge, it's just literally me kicking off on the live calls and giving you the prompts for the cash hotline. I'm not sure if you actually have worked with a cash hotline, and you really like go on a self-discovery journey with yourself or for yourself, and that is something that we are not doing inside the live calls. So the live calls that are going to happen, it's more like a guidance, showing you everything, making sure you're set up for success, giving you ideas, what you can ask. And yeah, other than that, it's like always like a short lesson by me in the morning. And then you have the full day to implement and to share with others. I hope this helps. But the last 2 programs and watch the replays. Yeah, amazing. Come. I don't know. Is this something you say in English too? In German, we say all good things are 3. It's kind of like all good things have to happen 3 times. Maybe this is your sign of the signs to come to the birth chart sales engine, the life experience. And trust me also, it's very different than the other 2 programs. This is much more on you really going deep with the hotline, aka your birth chart, your human design. It is really by the end of those 5 days, I want you to be able really to have a clear map towards your highest cash months you have ever had. So it's very practical. Yeah. I hope this clarifies everything for you. If you have any other questions, always DM us. Often I'm in the DMs. Team Rich and Happy is in the DMs. Love you all, guys. Bye. Talk to you soon.